Tips for weight management. Number 1. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals for weight loss or maintenance. Aim for a gradual and sustainable approach rather than quick fixes. Number 2. Balanced diet. Focus on consuming a balanced diet, consisting of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-calorie beverages. Number 3. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to control portions and prevent overindulgence. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.